Now, there are some things to watch out for. I mentioned doing an upgrade to something like the 10.2 version to get access to all the tools we want. Well, that means we're doing an upgrade. And if it's a really old version, like a version 6 or 7 or even an 8, the effort required in doing the upgrade might not be worth the benefit depending on what the site is. Should I just rebuild directly against something like XM Cloud and personalize together instead of trying to do this kind of step for that particular site? When we talk about migrating, we need to be cognizant that XP personalization is still running. We can't get rid of all the content delivery infrastructure if all the visits are still coming back to the origin to get that personalization. This means that we need to be planning, if we have heavy personalization sites and our goal is to reduce content delivery, how do we transition those sites over to personalize at an earlier step? That'll make sure that we can get that reduction in content delivery. The final thing is about static site publishing. As much as I wish it was, it's not magic. There's no multilingual. There are things that are limited in media library usage and forums. There's a whole bunch of stuff in the guide which you should check out. But essentially, you need to look at the guide, look at your site, figure out, is it a match? If it is, great. If not, we want to make sure that we're looking at one of the other options to be able to migrate that site over.